Are you tired of the same old Halloween crafts? Looking for something spooky and creative, but made just for adults? Well, today, we're diving into the ultimate guide to Halloween crafts that'll take your Halloween decorations from basic to breathtaking. Whether you're hosting a party or just love to create, these ideas will bring out the inner artist in you. Ready to transform your home into a Halloween wonderland? Let's get started. What are some budget-friendly Halloween craft ideas? Halloween doesn't need to drain your wallet. Let's explore some budget-friendly craft ideas that still pack a spooky punch. DIY spooky jars. Grab old mason jars, fill them with cotton, tiny figurines, or plastic spiders, and then add some LED tea lights for an eerie glow. Ghostly garlands. Use cheesecloth and string lights to create ghost garlands that you can hang along your fireplace or walls. Simple, but spooky. Papier-mâché tombstones. Create lightweight tombstones out of cardboard and papier-mâché, then paint them gray and black for a creepy graveyard effect in your yard or living room. Check out the playlist in the description for more DIY Halloween crafts that won't break the bank. How can I decorate my home with Halloween crafts that don't look childish? No more plastic pumpkins and kitty decorations. Let's elevate your Halloween decor with adult-appropriate crafts that keep things spooky, not cheesy. Elegant lace pumpkins. Cover faux pumpkins with black lace for a chic yet eerie decoration that screams Halloween but stays classy. Skull floral arrangements. Use skull planters and fill them with dark flowers like black roses, deep purple lilies, and eerie branches for a hauntingly beautiful display. Floating witch hats. Suspend black witch hats from your ceiling using invisible fishing wire to create a magical, floating illusion, perfect for a grown-up Halloween party. Which of these crafts would you try? Drop a comment and let me know your favorite. How can I use everyday items for Halloween crafts? Think you need to buy a ton of new supplies? Think again. There are so many common household items you can use to make your Halloween crafts even more creative. Tin can luminaries. Use a hammer and nail to punch spooky designs into old tin cans. Place a candle inside, and voila, an upcycled Halloween lantern. Egg carton bats. Cut up egg cartons and paint them black to create cute but creepy bat decorations that can be hung around the house. Coffee filter spiderwebs. Take coffee filters, fold them, and snip out sections to make delicate yet spooky spiderwebs. Cheap, easy, and eerily effective. Enjoying these easy crafts? Don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you never miss a crafty idea. How can I incorporate nature into my Halloween crafts? Nature is full of inspiration, especially when it comes to spooky vibes. Let's look at how to incorporate natural elements into your Halloween crafts. Wood slice pumpkins. Use round wood slices and paint them to resemble jack-o'-lanterns or spooky faces. Display them as rustic Halloween decor. Acorn witches. Collect acorns and tiny sticks to craft mini witches by painting faces and adding little felt hats and cloaks. These make cute table decorations. Pinecone spiders. Glue pine cones together with pipe cleaner legs and googly eyes to create adorable spiders that can crawl up your mantle or sit in your garden. Want more nature-inspired Halloween crafts? Check the description for a list of materials and project ideas. How can I turn Halloween crafting into a social event for adults? Crafting is more fun with friends. Here's how you can turn your Halloween crafting into a memorable gathering for your adult friends. Host a craft and wine night. Set up craft stations with easy-to-follow tutorials and sip on some Halloween-themed cocktails as you create your spooky masterpieces. Costume craft-off. Turn crafting into a competition by having your guests design their own Halloween accessories, like masks, hats, or props. Prizes for the most creative. Collaborative haunted house decor. Have each person contribute a unique craft to decorate your home for Halloween. From creepy garlands to eerie centerpieces, everyone adds a personal touch. Want to know how to set up your craft night? Check out the products used in this video in the description below. What are some unique Halloween craft ideas for adults? If you're looking to stand out this Halloween, you need crafts that go beyond the ordinary. So what are some unique craft ideas specifically designed for adults? Hand-painted potion bottles. Repurpose old glass bottles by painting them to look like vintage potion containers. Add labels like Witch's Brew or Zombie Tonic to make them even more authentic. Creepy candle holders. Melt wax over old wine bottles or spray paint candlesticks in eerie colors like black, blood red, or metallics to create the perfect spooky vibe. Macabre shadow boxes. Create 3D Halloween scenes inside shadow boxes using miniatures, skulls, faux spiders, and eerie backgrounds for a unique display. Love these ideas? Give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends who need some crafty Halloween inspiration. So, whether you're looking to craft solo or host an epic Halloween crafting night, these adult-themed projects will surely make your holiday season both spooky and stylish. Embrace the eerie, channel your creativity, and transform your space into the perfect haunted haven. Don't forget, the most haunting decorations are the ones you make yourself.